In this video, I will show how to determine whether a given alternating series converges absolutely or conditionally or diverges. That is, we will discuss how to use the alternating series test. And first, we have to identify that we have an alternating series. So in this case, we just have to pull the alternating component from the expression to make it easy to identify what's left. And here's what we have. Now, in order for us to use the alternating series test, we have to verify the three conditions. However, here, as a part of the alternating series test, we're going to focus on finding the limit of the non-alternating component. And here you can easily see that the limit is equal to 1. Therefore, we don't even have to check the remaining two components because this series diverges, and the reason for this is not even the alternating series test but the divergence test. Because the limit of the nth term is not equal to 0, we say this series diverges by the divergence test.